How to assemble hands-free collection cups. Wash your pump parts before, first, and after each use. Insert the duckbill valve to the bottom of the body. On the opposite side of the duckbill valve, add the diaphragm. After adding the diaphragm, add the diaphragm cover. Make sure both sides of the cover are pressed tightly and make sure the tube opening is on top. Attach the body to the breast shield. Attach the collection cup and press the sides tightly. Make sure to align the tube insert of the collection cup with the diaphragm cover. Remove the L-shaped adapters from the double tubing that came with your hands-free collection cups. Using the tubing that came with your pump, remove the blue adapter from one side of each tubing. Insert the L-shaped adapter to the end of the tubing where you removed the blue adapters from. Insert the L connector to the opening of the collection cup. Insert the other side of the tubing to the port of the pump. You are now ready to pump. How to pour milk from your collection cups. After pumping, remove the tubing from the collection cups. Carefully remove the insert funnel lid from the collection cup, making sure that the collection cup is placed on the palm of your hand to safely remove the lid with no spills. Using the opening on the collection cup, pour milk to bottle or milk storage bag.